This is just going to be a little video of how to put what we call the dynamic hinge on a Werner MT 26. So you can buy these separate. So at first you think, wow, how does this thing go on? So initially I thought I'd go on the inside because this is the inside portion of the ladder. And as you can see, if you're looking at it from the side view, that the hinge is actually on the inside. So if you put this hinge on the inside, it loses its stability because it actually can move inward. So the next thought is, well, it goes outside. When it does that, it has too much motion here. So the way it works, if you can see this little, there's a gap in between the outside, which is a larger piece, and then as you can see the inside, which is smaller. So the smaller piece, as I alluded to earlier, goes on the inside, so it kind of just, if you can see how it sandwiches itself in there. It's hard to do with one hand. So it sandwiches it and you just push it down. It's gonna be hard to do with one hand. There it goes. There. So there is the Werner MT 26. That's the outside portion of it. And there is the inside portion of it. Again, this hinge does not come with it. You can get it on eBay. I picked it up for, I think, anywhere from 15 to 25 bucks. And it comes with a nice case with an Allen wrench. There's supposed to be another wrench that goes right there. For what reason, I don't know. So anyway, thanks a lot. Thanks for watching.